Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to clear filters in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Previously, we made a video on how to make filters in Microsoft Excel. Now, we are going to clear or remove them from our spreadsheet. One short method to clear the filters is to go on the Data tab and click on the Clear filter on the Sort and Filter group. Once you click that, all of the items will show up in no time. Let's undo the changes for now. Let's say we want to reveal data one by one. We can easily do so by looking at our table right here. Once you see the funnel icon present in the headers, it just means that there is hidden data in it. To show these data, just click on the funnel icon and select Clear Filter from Location. As you can see, there is another item that showed up. Let's go ahead and go to Type. Just click on the type and click on Clear Filter from Type to show up every other thing that falls under the other categories. And there we go. To remove the filter completely, it's a whole other command. Though it is very easy, so pay attention. All you have to do is to select on the headers and go to the Data tab again, to the Sort and Filter, and click on the highlighted filter over here. Once you click on that, the filters will disappear. And there we go. This is how we clear filters in Microsoft Excel.